Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, my house is a hot mess, okay? It is chaotic, things are everywhere, and if I'm being quite honest, it's honestly a reflection of how chaotic my life has been the past month or so. So on this day, I decided to get my life together, my house together, and just give it a nice clean, okay? It honestly deserved that. I kind of like want to do this cleaning motivation video a little different. I know I usually just play some nice little music on these clips or even kind of talk about like what I'm cleaning, how I'm cleaning, all the things. And while I think all this is important, right? Like, and I'll still continue to make that content, I kind of want to switch it up a little bit and talk about like cleaning motivation altogether. So I actually posted a video, like a short form video on YouTube Shorts, and I also did one on Instagram and TikTok, which, by the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, what are you doing, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave all my socials down below in the description box, okay? But I posted this video, and essentially the video was about how, although cleaning is not my favorite task, is not my favorite task at all, okay? It's something that I'm not always jumping for joy to do. It's something that I have recognized over time that's so important for my peace and my mental clarity. And I actually really enjoyed some of the dialogue that I had with some of you all in the comments about this. Like, there was a lot of comments that, you know, people really resonated with what I was saying as far as, you know, just having a clean space and a clear mind really just brings a lot of clarity to them. A lot of people were just kind of saying that it is definitely a form of just kind of therapy for them, just to be able to clean their space, keeps them calm. Some people even were like, I like cleaning, which I was like, ooh, kudos to you. I'm not going to sit here and go as far to say like I love cleaning. I just know that it's something I have to do, and I'm pretty motivated to do it for the most part, because I can get really anxious when my space is not clean. Like, I just cannot live in a dirty space. But I want to just like take a moment, like I said, to just really talk about some of the things that have kept me motivated over time to keep my space clean, and offer even possibly some potential mindset shifts when it comes to cleaning your home. And let me just give this disclaimer real quick. I am not like perfect when it comes to cleaning my home. I don't claim to be. I am human, okay? There are weeks that like sometimes the house ain't getting a deep clean, or sometimes things are just not gonna get done. Life be lifing, okay? Like, things happen. It is what it is. But I feel like I have been pretty consistent over time, and so I just kind of wanted to share some of the things that have worked for me to stay motivated when it comes to cleaning. And, you know, one of the first things I will say is that I notice about myself that I need routine and structure, and I feel like a lot of us probably would thrive with just kind of having a routine. And cleaning is just now embedded in the routine. Like, it's just something that's gonna happen really most of the times, almost every day, okay? Like, it's just gonna happen. So I think that kind of shifting your mind and kind of telling yourself like, okay, like today I'm gonna vacuum all the floors. Tuesdays is gonna be what, I don't know, like Tuesday is going to be dedicated to like cleaning all the bathrooms. Wednesdays is going to be dedicated to, you know, clean the mirrors. I don't know, like having some type of schedule and just really embedding cleaning into your routine, especially your daily routine, has really kind of, for me, been really helpful. And again, I always try to somewhat clean daily and then do like a deeper clean on the weekends. Again, sometimes the deeper clean, just being frank, does not happen weekly. Sometimes it's going to happen bi-weekly, and it is what it is. But for the most part, my house stays pretty clean, and I really feel like it's because of just having really good daily cleaning habits. Just like with anything, if you want to achieve anything, get things done, you have to have good habits to actually achieve the thing, right? So cleaning is the same way, and I try to like, I'm pretty motivated with cleaning. I try to apply that in different areas of my life. That's like a whole other story for a whole other day. But I will say, like, having Dante around to kind of help me and like split the chores has been like really helpful, just to kind of not feel overwhelmed. But again, even if, you know, it's something that you are kind of like mainly responsible for in your home, or maybe you live alone. I just think that having like good habits definitely goes a long way. So embedding cleaning more into my routine, like I said, has just been like that game changer. So I definitely recommend doing that. Also too, I like want to acknowledge that I feel like for myself, there's always definitely not enough time in the day to get every single thing done. So like again, sometimes something that you may have planned to clean that day may not get done because something else came up, or it took you longer to do like another task, and I think that's completely fine. I just am more like in the space of like when it comes to cleaning, that you know, I don't like things to pile up and just be like overwhelmed to clean everything at one time. So that's why I think it's really important to, if you can't do it daily, at least maybe every other day or every 2 days if you can, just so you're not overwhelmed when it comes to like really getting things done in your home. And that again, you can kind of have a clean space, a clear mind, and just a lot more happiness when you're in your home. And I know some people may not have, you know, the capacity or bandwidth to genuinely like embed cleaning in their daily routine. I think that if you do have the luxury to outsource, definitely do it. Like if that's something that you don't have the capacity to do, you may be busy, it may just be like an overwhelming task with all the other home things that you have to do, I would highly recommend just outsourcing it. I think that at the end of the day, having a clean and clear space is so important for our mental health, our mental clarity, peace, all the things. Also just our health in general. So just having that space cleaned and getting that done, I think is just as important and definitely important. So if you have that luxury, I definitely recommend doing that. At the end of the day, I try not to be so hard on myself, but also try to keep myself accountable and just know that these things are a part of life and they have to get done. And I'm just trying to do the best I can to take care of the things that have taken care of me throughout my life, whether it's my body, whether it's the people around me. And my home is no exception. I feel like it's definitely taken care of me these past 2 years, protected me from all the outside elements and the bugs, because y'all, I don't do bugs, okay? Like that is definitely a conversation for another day, another time. But all in all, I feel so fortunate and blessed to be in this space. I dreamt of just living in this home, and so I definitely want to just continue to make sure I keep the space clean, and it's really my motivation. I, at the end of the day, want to take care of the things that have taken care of me over time. So I am going to end the video here right now. I actually was a bad content creator and forgot to film some outro clips, so forgive me of that, guys. You guys know the space is clean, but I hope this video motivated you guys to keep your space clean. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.